Yep, it was down all the way. Dang, that has a loud alert then. Yep, it's not midnight quite yet. My clock's a little fast on this. Nevertheless, we have a severe thunderstorm coming. Second one. Well, actually no, I got the watch notification on my iPad. Was not aware that there was a warning. I come up, my dad said, your weather radio's going off. I'm like, lovely. So I got my parents up. As you can see, right now, we still have a lot of humidity. Oh, please don't say my camera's fogging up again. Hang on, guys. There we go. There's the storm right there. And yet, over here we have some clear skies. So, I do plan to stay with this whole storm. Come on, camera, focus, come on. Are you... Are you Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say, are you fogged up again? Lots of lightning, man. Look at that. Hold on, stay focused. I'm gonna get my iPhone and my iPad set up to record. Get some thunderstorm audio. And then we're gonna probably have to close the window once it starts raining. Oh. Let me turn on the light real quick. Oh yeah, that makes a big difference. Oh sweet, we got 2 chargers. For once in my life, I actually was prepared. Sweet. Okay. Good. Well, I have to leave my iPod plugged in. Yay. Okay. Oops. Where's my phone? Aha. Yeah. Gotta watch. Where's the warning? It's weird. I feel bad I got woke my dad up. I hope I didn't wake my mom up. And my screen thing is... Oh my gosh, are you serious? Screen... Piece of crap. Oh, you're not on. Okay, got my iPod ready. It's set to go when I hit it. We also have the iPad ready to go. Still see the lightning. I'm going to be using... I'm going to put my iPad right in front here. And, oh, you can hear a little thunder. Well, let's shut off the fan. Leave my overhead fan going on. Let's see. Closing all the apps. Oh, you can smell the rain in the air right now. Oh, you can smell the rain in the air right now. Okay. Here. I'm sorry, guys. Hang on. Oh my god, that scared the living crap out of me. Okay, audio recorder check. I'm getting some good lightning shots. As soon as I can get my iPad set up. I was checking because I thought I heard rain. I was gonna say, if it's raining already, man, that was fast. Okay. See, I'm gonna be using the GarageBand recorder, the Thunderstorm, and then I'm gonna be using my iPhone voice recorder to record also and see what we can pick up. Kind of use it for white noise. I don't know, see if it works. 2 events. Oh, severe thunderstorm watch until 7. Huh. Went off for that too. Okay. Oh, shut up, phone. I'll plug you back in. Okay. Here, I gotta navigate through my messy room. Okay. And I was on 3% with my phone. Okay. Whoop. Okay, we got recorder 2 going. Let's see what we can see. How are we doing time-wise? We can let it go a little longer. Let's plug in the computer and see what we can get with the data. That was the wrong light switch. Yep. Oh yeah, the lightning's still coming. Oh my gosh, the lightning's going crazy. Okay. So right now, oh wow, yep, it's here. In fact, I'm waiting for it to start raining. See if the clouds have rolled in. No, it's not here yet. You can see where it is. It's just right in that one area. And my head was probably in the shot. It's right there. It's still clear right over here. Let me pull up a radar image and I'll show you where we're at. I also brought my camera bag up so I can, in case it gets humid again, we can clean off my lens and stuff. I'm ready for this storm. I missed the first one. I got like little snippets of it. I hear thunder. It's getting close, I can tell you that. Okay, I can definitely see. You can see I can see the flashes right now. It's the reflection. Okay. I probably need time. It would work if you were unlocked. Okay. So let's go to my Radar Pro. The internet's slow up in my bedroom. Okay. Oh my god, that is really red. Okay, so here's what we got with my Radar Pro. Oh wow, I'm gonna go ahead and stop.